All right, Jeff is on. All right, we got a viewer, so we'll start. The rest will tail in. All right, here's the product update, guys. I have been meaning to release this for almost 2 months, and I just haven't had time. So, new product. New product is this screen right here. This screen right here is going to take off all your tailings from your material that you're sluicing above here, which is your raw material. You'll be throwing your raw material up here. The mat, which would be the best mat for this, my opinion, is a mini mat because it's got a high profile, so it's going to have good holding power, is going to catch all your nuggets. And it's just like regular sluicing. And all we got to do to get our nuggets out of this thing is unloosen it, pull the mat out, flop it in the pan. Done. So all your fine stuff is going to drop down into your cube and go through it. Got this little stand. That's a prototype. I got production parts coming for this. It's going to look the same, do the same thing. Just, you know, I built this one. So, no, don't judge me. All right. So, and I don't have the top tray hooked in with some water because I'm already pumping 2,000 through this. You could have a top tray with water and maybe sluice a little less here. So I'm already doing a good feed already. So right here I just got this hose hooked up. There's a 2,000 pump down there. I got this little DeWalt battery attachment here. We're going to go ahead. We're just going to drop your fines onto the cube tray. And we're sluicing. We're going to catch our nuggets up here. You know, we're going to catch our nuggets. I'm trying to wait to get the one to go down there. It ain't happening. Well, we know how that works. All right, we're going to catch our nuggets up here. And we're going to drop our fine stuff through the cube. The whole beauty of this is we already sell this product. A lot of you have it. 6x24 sluice. There's a power head. You already have it. Leg stand kit. You already have it. You'll just get a couple little brackets and some extension rods. It'll mount to the frame of the cube. Mount off your leg brackets. You just got to buy this guy here. That's it. This screen. Bolt it right on to existing holes that are already punched out in your 6x42 for your leg brackets and whatnot. So all you're going to be buying is that screen with a little holder on there. It's got a little thing that goes over it, a little channel. If you already have the leg stands, so you can see how economical this is going to be. I haven't put the final prices of my components that I'm getting from my supplier into the pricing calculator, but you can see that this thing is going to be very, very economical, especially if you already have the sluice. If you already have the sluice, you're going to buy the screen kit and the little extenders with the brackets. If you don't have it, then of course you buy the whole sluice. Even this sluice right here is $169 with the leg brackets and the power sluice head. $169 for the sluice with the leg brackets and the power head and the pump and the hose. So already looking at the price savings, even if you bought the whole kit. I'm telling you, it's going to be hard to beat. What's really nice is you can take this piece of equipment you already have, use it, and you don't need no auxiliary equipment back here. So you're just, it's kind of in the proper order. We're going to catch our nuggets, the nugget trap up front in the wash plant, and then our tailings, our fines, are going to go to the system below. So we're not going to not catch them, and we're going to, in just screen off material, we're going to catch the nuggets and do a cleanup on this mat. And all the tailings can go off into your tailing pile. Right where your cube tailings are going. You can tail in one direction. If you got one more, it kind of goes the other direction. So a 3 or a 5 all go one direction. Pretty simple. So the simplest answer is usually the best answer. And so there it is, piece of powder coated steel. What this is powder coated steel. We didn't want to do aluminum, we wanted something strong. Probably going to use the solid aluminum rods for this, even though hollow ones would work, but we'll see. Because we already have it in stock, we might as well use it. You can see I powered it off my little DeWalt battery thing, which are awesome. I shouldn't tell you about those, you didn't see it. Because I sell too many of them and I go out of stock. They're so cool. Anyways, there it is, guys. Innovation, forward thinking, simple, elegant, affordable. If it's affordable and it's fun, that's what we do. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out what we saw there. I just did a live, let you know that now you guys can officially bug me and say, hurry up Dave, put it on the website for sale. So I'm putting myself out there as a target. So there it is. And next week, by the end of the week, this baby will be for sale. There's my deadline. Randy's smiling at me. My co-worker, he can't do that because he knows.
Yeah.
He knows I lie. I try my best not to. I'm optimistic, Randy. That's the term, optimistic. There it is. So it's pretty cool because it supports our existing products, and that's what this transformer sluice means. It transforms into so many great products. Now we got our this could be a sluice, a power sluice, a high maker, a folding sluice. And we know the longer one, the 6x42, could be a dry washer soon. But anyways, now it works for basically to tail into your cube and catch your nuggets. And I actually have something else coming for this. Coming soon. So this Transformer series, this 6-inch, is truly going to be like a Swiss Army knife, and it's going to allow people to add on affordably instead of have to own all these different pieces of equipment. We can do that here. Awesome. All right, guys. I hope you enjoy it.